pictures of this car, and so now I'm going to give you a video of what I'm doing. So here we go. So here are the driver's seat with SEM trim Pacific Blue, which I think is the wrong color. Here is the interior. Put the light on. Whoa, a lot of light. But you can see I've dyed this half the carpet. Haven't dyed this half. So everyone's wondering what dye I used. And here is the dye right here. It's Fiebling's Royal Blue Pro Dye. And for the seats, I used this, which gave me this. So I am not sure if this is the right color blue at all. That's what I got. And you can see I haven't shampooed this side of the carpet, but I will today. There's the dash in. I redid the bezel, leather shift knob, and I got some more work to do in here. Still got to fix the door, and still got to do the brakes. And this is what I got to do next. Thanks Classic Daily for hooking me up with this awesome brake balm, and John for hooking me up with this hydro booster. And here's a look around the shop. Here's the parts cart that if anyone needs parts, she's good to go. Oh, here's Ellen's E30. That will be at the vintage. And hopefully this will be at the vintage. Hopefully. We will see. More to come as progress goes. Goodbye.